everyone, welcome back. So today we have another unboxing. I did a mini haul from the BoxyCharm mega pop-up sale that they do for Black Friday, Cyber Week every year. And I like to get a couple of things that maybe I missed throughout the year. So let me show you what we've got. The first thing is, this is a bath and body product. So I really love these body wash buffers from Spongelle. They are, if you've never tried them before, they are sponges that are infused with body wash, so you don't need two separate products. You just wet and then wash yourself and you're good to go. So I got 8 of them because they were on sale for $4 each. 2 of each flavor. So 4 different flavors, 2 of each flavor, total of 8 flavors, scents, smells. So this one is Pikaki Bloom, Pikaki. Then we also have Honey Blossom and Blackberry and Apple Blossom. So I got 2 of each of those. Now, I know you're probably wondering, Jess, you are sensitive to scents and smells. You have eczema. You have sensitive skin. Scents trigger your migraines. What the F are you doing? Well, I have never had a reaction, eczema, sensitive skin-wise, to the Spongelle products in particular. So I am willing to bet when I purchase one of those scented products that I will be okay. The headache part is going to be hit or miss. It's going to be a 50-50 shot for me. That's why I normally buy at least one of each flavor scent. 1 to 2 of each scent. And then that way, if when I smell the product when it arrives, it gives me a headache or a migraine, then I can pass it on to somebody else that will enjoy it. So I already took a little whiff of each one of these scents to see which ones I would be able to use and which ones would be passed on to someone else who would enjoy them. And of the 4 scents that I got, I can use 3 of the 4 of them. So surprisingly, this one called Apple Blossom is the one that the smell gives me a headache. So both of these will be passed on. The other 3 are good to go. So Blackberry, Pikaki Bloom, which this is the one I thought was probably going to give me a headache. I was wrong. And Honey Blossom. All 3 of these are migraine sufferer approved. So those other ones I will put in one of my donation boxes that I like to do for the women's shelter. So that's why I don't feel bad purchasing multiple scents, because if it's a scent, obviously brand new, not used, I just open the box and smell it. If I open the box, I smell it, and I start getting like the prodrome of my migraine, then I know it's going to be one that's going to go in the donation box. So, and I love donating things. The other thing I got from the BoxyCharm pop-up sale was this little set with Viseart, because I've always wanted to try the Viseart palettes. So this is a mini Viseart. And it also came with like this lip gloss from the Conrad makeup line in addition. However, I didn't really purchase it because of this. I purchased the little set because I wanted to try Viseart. And this little Petite Pro palette was just so cute, and I thought the color story would be something I would enjoy, and it was the perfect time to try it without paying full price, you know? So let me open it real quick. I'll show you the colors. I'm not going to swatch them. That'll be potentially in a later video. So it opens up. Viseart on the front. It's got a little tab in the back to open. And then it folds out. And we can see all the colors here. So this line is all mattes, and this line is all shimmers. And this is definitely a color story that I will use and enjoy, so I'm very, very excited to try this formula. And that is all. That is everything I got in the BoxyCharm pop-up sale. It wasn't a big haul, that's why I'm calling it a mini one, but I'm sharing it with everybody. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you got from the BoxyCharm pop-up sale that you like, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and don't forget to take care of yourself.